When I got back that night, I saw Joey sleeping on my family room couch, and Connie's laying a blanket over him. And I tell her, "Doesn't that ape ball ever go home?" And right off the bat, she lays into me. "Where the hell you been, Denny?" And I tell her I'm a cop, and it's a 24-hour job. And that's when she sees all the blood. She helps me to the bathroom, starts tugging at my pants. I tell her I can do it, Connie. Christ! Lay off of me! A little too forceful, maybe. Yeah. 'Cause where I've been, what I've done, I can't stand her near me, touching me. And she knows it too. The way I can't, look her in the eye. And backing off, she tells me, "All right, Denny, do it yourself. You're the man of the family. Do everything yourself." My pant leg was soaked in blood. In the middle of my right thigh was this deep black hole, the size of a nut. I swung my right leg into the bathtub and grabbed a bottle of rubbing alcohol off the back of the toilet. I poured it on, and my head went white all over again. But I didn't scream. I didn't shout. I just bit down real hard onto a towel and took it. 'Cause, I don't know, my kids were sleeping and they rely on me to be strong for them, And in a strange way, I was glad for the pain. And I wished it would have hurt worse. I betrayed Connie that night. And I knew deep down I deserved it.